guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, or tonight really, we're going to just be making slime and playing some games. It's been a hot minute since we filmed videos and we just wanted to get another one in. We got some foam beads, and we got some few other supplies.
Okay, Anna.
Yeah, we have our foam beads and we're actually using clear glue for the first time. I've never made slime with clear glue, and apparently neither have they. So we're just gonna make some slime, and we're gonna play like Never Have I Ever and 3 Truths and 1 Lie. No. Y'all, I'm so tired. This day has wore me out.
2 truths, 1 lie.
What?
Without further ado,
Let's get into the video. So what game do we want to play first?
Okay, I'm gonna tell you 2 truths and 1 lie about me. Okay, never mind, because I can't think of none. So let's do Never have I ever.
Oh man, it's a bubble, look.
Oh yeah.
Okay, never have I ever.
Gosh, it's so clear. I can't even
I can't
see it
even-
at the bottom of the container.
Yeah, it's
Container.
I cannot think of nothing.
Okay. Never have I ever. Man, that is hard.
Yeah, for real. Never have I ever. Never have I ever. Never have I ever.
I can't think of none. Can I do one?
Sure,
Yeah.
I can't think of none.
Okay, never have I ever stolen something from the store.
Ooh, I have.
I was 8 and I wanted some markers, and my aunt would not give me money to buy them, and so I just went and took them, and I knew it was wrong because I squeezed myself through the little alarm thing you used to get out of the store. So I got in big trouble. Just let it be known I never stole anything again because my punishment was good enough.
My story is when we were in this auto shop, whatever, and I really wanted this push pop candy, and my
I
dad said
can't get all
no.
the glue out.
Well, somebody said no anyway, and I stole it anyway.
Activate.
And my parents found out, and my dad was like, go back in there, and you're gonna hand them
You
to
put a
them,
little there.
and you're gonna say, sorry I stole this, I'll never do this again. And guess what? I never done
Yeah.
stole anything again.
My aunt made me do that too. Ooh.
Stained glass glue, guys. Have y'all ever made
Glue.
I know, I was like
Stained
stained glass
slime.
glue. I had to think of things.
Making black slime. No, I
Oh,
don't want to make
no.
black slime. I don't want to make black slime. Ooh, I'm going to put some white in there and make, like, because the Play-Doh will, like, stir around in the white slime. And it'll make this pretty blue color. So let's try.
Oh, there's hair already in mine.
Oh, no, that's not good.
That sounded like such a fake reaction. Oh no, that's not good.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to put all my ingredients first, and then I'm going to mix it up with my hands. Can I have some shaving cream?
I don't know if I'm gonna put any shaving cream in mine. I don't know yet.
I'm going to just add a little bit.
But I have to add some more borax to the water because it's not really activating.
Somebody's doing something.
Another fail.
We got some more borax in our water because it was not activating very well. We're also using a different type of glue this time, so it may work a little differently.
I need some beads.
Trying to
Open some
open
of that
some.
beans.
No.
Beans?
No, I didn't open it
Did
yet.
you open some of them beans?
I'm actually still hungry.
Yeah.
Oh man!
Oh!
That's a lot.
I wanted to go ahead and make mine like slime so I could like
There we go.
mix in the beans.
Alright, I'm
and be like, I don't know.
Okay.
I could like fake eat it.
Thumbnail! We have learned the art of posing for your thumbnails. We have to pick bad screenshots for your cover. Mine's kind of turning into slime.
The beads in here feel so weird.
What's that? Glitter in mine.
I might put a little shaving cream or something. I did not realize that was
Oh
leaning
my
up.
god.
That was a great scream.
So going in the video.
It's burning my finger. Why is my finger burning?
Oh my god. Why is your finger burning?
It's like all red.
Oh no. I must have a cut. Ow, it hurts. Oh well. It's all for the making of slime. We really need to start thinking this through. I'm sorry, we don't know what we're doing.
This is just last minute.
I've got
thing.
dirt in mine. Great. Past it.
We're getting some good laughs in here, y'all.
I mean, yeah, it's entertaining just because we're delirious, if nothing else.
We are so freaking tired, y'all.
I had gotten clear because we originally were going to do cloud slime, and I heard that is the best glue to use for clown slime. Cloud!
There it goes again.
Cloud slime. So.
Oh, Lord mercy.
So excited for Sunday school.
Yep.
I don't know about y'all, but we love us some church.
Love some Jesus.
Love us some Jesus. Carpool karaoke, like worship song version.
Yay.
That would be fun.
Totally.
Because we can scream us some worship songs.
Like, well, I almost put slime in my hair.
My hair is all up in my face.
I mean, look at mine.
Oh, yours has come together. Sparkle. Sparkle. Caroline. Thank you, ma'am. Caroline, not Caroline! Well, this is going to be very activated. Activated?
What is up with you and your words today?
It's working.
Activated.
That sounds like you say activated, but with an accent. Activated.
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 You activated it.
We can play accent
Lord
challenge.
help us, Jesus.
For the rest of this video, we have to speak in a British accent.
Oh,
And I'm sorry, please do not judge us because
For
we
real?
suck at our British accents, but it's just something fun to do.
You
Okay,
just
ready?
messed up my dog.
Set go.
Oh my gosh.
It's just very
Activated.
activated. No,
Very
that's
activated.
Australian. It's
Very
over.
activated.
It's very overactive. I can't do it.
Over
Oh my
activated.
goodness. This is really bad. Oh god.
What is that laugh?
That laugh is really bad.
I'm just feeling my slime.
Ew.
That's some putty.
It's so sticky.
And my hand's not coming out.
What is this? It's not a British accent. Can you put some shaving cream on here for me? I'm really sticky. Oh goodness.
Oh, it's my sleeve.
Oh no, it's breakable. It's not very stretchy, it's kind of bad. Again, I'm really sorry, our accents are very bad. I wouldn't even call them British, they're just not English accents.
Oh my gosh, you got hair in my hand. My slime.
It's just sticking to me.
So give it a like. Subscribe. Anyway, comments below.
Caroline, you're not going to talk.
Gosh, you got look, it's below me.
Oh Jesus.
What's my hand is literally stuck.
That was really funny. Oh my god.
I'm spinning.
It's literally stuck. It's very pretty. It's got like a shine to it. It's like pearly.
Ooh, pearly.
Pearly.
Pearly. It's very pearly.
That was country.
Slime. Look at slime. It's very sticky though.
Oh no! Oh god! I didn't even know. I don't know if you can see it.
It's all beads. It's all beads. It's all beads. Don't drop it on activator.
Oh, it feels so weird.
Oh. Overactivated. Oh my god!
I like all these beads in here.
It's like getting off the thing. It's getting off the cotton, but it won't get off of me.
You gotta keep kneading it.
Ah, ew. I'm gonna get my other hand dirty.
Oh wow, this looks cool and weird at the same time. I don't even know what my accent is anymore. Actually, I don't know what it was to begin with.
This is such a disaster.
I like the way it sounds. Listen. Well, I didn't do it. Hold on. That was a weird face I was making. I'm sorry. Look at this. So cool. Do you think I should add color or should I leave it white? You trying to make green? Caroline? She's not going to say anything. She doesn't want to use an accent. We're going to end the accent challenge in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thank God.
Sorry, that was really bad. We are not good at accents, but we didn't know what else to do.
Ow!
I have slime in my hair.
Can
I have
you
slime
pull
on
this
my
up?
pants. I have slime everywhere. It's actually not that bad. It's kind of stretchy.
Mine's all hard.
It looks weird though with the foam beads in it. It took a while. I had to really knead it, and then I added some shaving cream and some. Isn't this a pretty color that Caroline has? Cheyenne has a pretty
It's
color.
like a metallic.
Yeah. This is good, Caroline. You just gotta knead it a little bit.
Oh no!
This is good slime, Caroline.
Anymore.
But we just really like slime.
We don't like it. We love it.
Oh yeah. Correction. Yeah, that's turning out good, Cher. Listen to this. So cool. Yours is so good, Shine Caroline. I cannot think.
I like this color.
Well, you can make it darker. It's just you got a lot of slime, so you'd have to put a lot of paint in there to make it the color you want it. Try and tip that over and show them.
Cheyenne.
Cheyenne. I'm just putting the rest in there.
Ah!
Oh, it feels so weird. It's so cool though, just to put your hands
Feel
in.
mine.
Just to put your hands in like
Feel
that.
mine.
Oh yes. It's so cool
It's
just
so
to put your
weird.
hands in there with the beads.
You're putting it all over the floor.
Oh, well give me my container back.
Some beads.
Well, now I need it back.
There. Green.
No.
I don't know what color I'm gonna
Mine
make
got
mine.
so hard. Feel mine. Mine's so hard.
Is it hard?
For real.
Oh yeah, it is kind of hard. Oh, it's so good. Yeah. I got blue.
Yeah, I
paint.
did. I only added white paint and blue Play-Doh, and it's coming out this color.
You added white paint
White paint
and blue
and
Play-Doh.
blue Play-Doh.
I wonder if you can see, where's my paint? Oh, there it is.
No, it's still hard.
Water.
It's like a ball. Catch. Catch it. Ready?
Oh my gosh, it did. How did it get so hard? I feel like it wasn't hard like this a minute
You got
ago.
it.
Get a broom or something.
Look.
That's weird. Well, this is darker than I thought it was going to be.
It's like a royal blue.
Yeah.
Dude, look at mine.
Run all around.
Oh, that's pretty.
Sorry.
Sounds so nice. So we're just trying.
Oh, that almost went her slime, guys. You don't even know.
We're trying to fix our slime still. I don't know. It's kind of working on mine, but it's kind of not. Cheyenne says hers is still just really hard.
Yeah, look, I'm squeezing mine.
Look at Caroline's.
Looks like a heart.
Caroline's is still really good, so I don't know how she did that. Guess she didn't overactivate it. So this is the end result of our slimes.
wait.
We did not actually end up playing the games that we said we would, but
Yeah. All right, so this is our slime. Mine's still a little hard. I still have to work on mine.
yours is better than mine. I can barely even stretch it. I may have
But
added too many beads. I don't know if that makes a
We have
difference.
guests over still, so we have to go hang out with them, I guess.
Yeah, so this was our slime. Hope you
So-
enjoyed watching us make it and
Yeah.
be ridiculous, because that's how we are.
There was some funny stuff that she keeps saying. The first
Comment.
comment gets a shout out.
Yes.
Unfortunately, we don't have it. We already did our shout out. We don't have one.
Oh!
Alright, so I hope y'all liked it, enjoyed it, whatever. Still wanna work on this 'cause it's so
We're going to continue to work on our
But-
slimes, and we will see you guys in the
See you
next
next
video.
Bye!
Caroline's not even paying attention.
I ripped it in half!
I know, I did that a minute ago.